County in north-central Maryland, central Frederick County in north-central Maryland, until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Boonesboro, Oregon, 9 miles east of Shepherdstown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Harry Grove Stadium, Ballinger Creek, Walkersville, Boonesboro, Braddock Heights, New Market, Clover Hill, Discovery Spring Garden, Leemanor Bardensville, Adamstown, Jefferson, Myersville, Keedysville, Buckeyestown, Libertytown, Warrersville, Burkittsville, Gatlin, and Brownsville. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed.